tourists were killed on Thursday after a viewing submarine sank near the Egyptian resort city of Hurghada, according to the local governor. Major General Amr Hanafi confirmed that the deaths in the updates on the Red Sea were fatal, and the governorate's official page also confirmed that 45 passengers, including the tourists from Russia, India, Norway and Sweden, on board when the accident occurred, in addition to the 5 Egyptian crew members. Also, apart from the 6 Russians, all the other tourists had been rescued, he said, and also added that 4 of the tourists were in critical conditions and currently receiving treatment in the ICU, that is the intensive care unit at the local hospitals. Also, the accident involving a vessel operated by the Sindbad submarine took place in the waters of the Egypt's eastern coastline on Thursday morning. The submarine crashed at a distance of 1 kilometer from the shore at around 10 a.m. according to the Russian consulate in Hurghada. Also, the vessel was on a regular underwater excursion to inspect the coral reef, it continued, adding that the most of those on board were rescued and taken to the nearby hospitals and hotels. The governor said investigation by authorities are underway with the vessel's crew to determine the cause of the incident, and also he noted that the submarine had a valid operating license and the crew leader held the required scientific certificates. In the accompanying video, Hanafi could be seen visiting nearby hospital and taking with the survivors on the board, and also some of whose have been wrapped in emergency blankets while others sat on hospital beds. Hurghada is a popular resort on the Egypt's Red Coast, roughly 480 kilometers southeast of the Cairo. The company that runs the submarine tour claims to be well established in exploring the region's dramatic seabed. Thursday forecast showed clear skies, light winds and warm conditions. The temperature was around 30 degrees Celsius, that is 86 degrees Fahrenheit, with a wind under 10 kph according to the CNN meteorologist. The operator of the submarine had an expert team with 5 years of experience, according to the website, adding that its vessels were engineered in Finland to sustain underwater pressure up to 75 meters, ensuring safety and reliability. In an emergency, the company says oxygen masks are located overhead and life vests under the seats. Sindbad Submarine says that it has 2 recreational submarines in its fleet, each of which could carry 44 passengers and 2 pilots, with a sizable round viewing window for each passenger.